Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode with Dan Freed, the CEO and founder of Specialty Metals, Smelters, and Refiners. Dan, got a question for you. I've heard rumors that computer boards contain precious metals, circuit boards. Truth?
Yeah, the various companies do put precious metal in circuit boards. With that, opens up a floodgate of questions because the first thing I'm going to say is stay away from consumer electronics. The circuit boards in consumer electronics, whatever that means, consumer electronics,
Small
stereo
devices.
equipment,
Yeah.
refrigeration,
Laptops.
well, anything, any home equipment is nothing's in there. There's nothing. Flat TVs are people call all the time. Hi, I have platinum from a flat screen TV. No, you don't. There's nothing in the flat screen TV. It's everything nowadays has nothing in them of precious metal value. Looking back, we still get calls all the time from people who have just mothballed equipment from the 80s and the 90s, and the circuit boards. Some of them are worth $100 a pound.
So older industrial circuit boards will have precious metals that are
And
worth
military
and
as well.
military grade equipment.
Yeah,
So if someone thinks they have some sort of sizable amount, that what would be the right amount to call you for?
at least a minimum of 3,000 to 5,000 pounds. In the boards are silver, gold, and palladium, and copper. We'll pay you for copper if there's a decent amount. But the main elements are silver, gold, and palladium. There is no platinum and there is no rhodium, as we get many calls about circuit boards having them in them. They don't.
So if you
Um,
have 3,000 pounds of circuit boards, it's worth having a conversation.
yeah, and we'll provide transportation. Depending
Ship.
on where you are, we'll help you with transportation. And it's one of those things where we need to see pictures of what you have before you ship, just to give you a guideline of what you're doing, whether it's right or wrong. Remove all the material that you can, um, the aluminum heat sinks, all the
Power source.
power sources, remove all that because you're charged by an incoming weight, and those don't have any value at all. The hard drive, kick it off.
Right.
The
So the
hard
best
drive,
idea,
oh,
the best thing for someone to do is take some pictures, email you at sales@specialtymetals.com.
and we'll advise you. We'll give you advice about what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong.
Excellent. Well, you heard it right here. If you got 3,000 pounds or more, give Dan a call, 800-426-2344. Make sure you got some pictures and he will walk you through the process and pay you top dollar for the precious metal he's able to refine for you. Thanks again, Dan. We'll speak soon.
Very good. Thank you.